back to Vlogtober. I am here at Delaware Park Racetrack and Casino. I'm on a hunt for some Halloween spooky inspired slot machines to play. Maybe we can get a bonus. Let's see. Found this Black Widow game. She seems to be something, so let's see here. We're gonna do, what's our bet? See if I can find the volume. Hold on. I don't see. Okay. So now let's see. Doing a $1.60 bet to start. See if we can get a bonus. And then we need nine symbols to trigger the bonus round. 9 of these. Oh, we got it! Yay! Oh, snap. Let's see what happens. We get 7 free games. Okay. That pays $21.60. I turned the volume up. Okay, let's see here. Okay, and every time you get one of these, it goes up here. Not really sure what happens. I guess if you get all of them, you can get something. I have no idea. I've never played this game before. Okay, that one $4.80. Can we get a re-trigger? I don't know. Okay, we got 9 of him. That pays $19.20. Yay! Got 2 more games left. Last one. She wild. Okay, that was $25. All right. Hey, look at that. Bonus paid $80. Oh, snap, off $1.60. That was a good one. All right. Let's see if we can get another bonus. I tried to change the sound and it's not working. I put it all the way up, so sorry there's no sound. Let's see if we can get something else here. This is a penny machine. We're betting $1.60. I'm not sure what the max bet is. Max bet is $2. Let's bump it up to $2. Oh. See if we can get something. I'll be back if we get it. Look, it's not a bonus, but I got a whole bunch of this dude. That's a $30 hit right there. Trying to go after another bonus. Look at him. Let's see if we can capture another bonus on screen here. And I'm playing the max bet of $2. We need 9 of these. That's the bonus. So that's a wild symbol. So we need 9 of the potion thing. Come on. I think she's a top symbol too, if you can get a lot of her. But we want to play the bonus game one more time. Come on. Got some 10s, $4. Yeah, we want some Love Potion number 9 bottles. I mean, darn. That chick got in the way with her big old head. I can't believe there's no sound. I tried to change. It's right here. But look, I moved it. Now I done broke it. Yeah, but then look. But then nothing happens. I know, we need to find another machine. We'll do a few more spins. I'm gonna spin a few more times, see if I get a bonus. I'll be back. So we found another one. This is called Hex Breaker. It's like a black cat game.
But they have voodoo dolls.
Oh wait.
Get it back. I have to hit them.
Oh yeah. Voodoo dolls, the black cat, the salt.
Yeah.
So let's see. We'll play $2.40. This is a tall machine. Oh, it has progressives. So I'm not really sure what you need. I guess we're gonna find out. So maybe the cat is wild. If he like, oh, what is that? Oh, I don't know. A big win. Did we win $30? What is that? I think so. Oh, yeah, look, a Hex Breaker went up there to that. Okay. I have no idea how to play this. Oh, maybe you need a few of those to get the bonus. Come on, we need a bonus round. Yeah, you must have to get a couple of those. We're going to find out the rules here.
It would be nice to know what we're looking for.
It would be. Instead of just sitting down and pushing the button, we should have read the rules. Come on, we need something good.
I don't even know what we need.
I don't even know. It says you can play 648 ways. What? Okay. Oh, so that's wild. Come on, let's play the bonus. Okay.
I feel like that was good.
Was it good? $20. It's not bad.
Not bad.
We want to play the bonus. Okay, is it going? Oh, it didn't go all the way up. Oh. I almost got excited.
In there now.
Oh, we got some voodoo dolls. Alright.
We gotta keep that one.
Alright.
Oh, shit.
I'll come back if we get a bonus. We got some 13s. $36.
Could be a good thing.
Sometimes it's not that bad. So I upped my bet to 320 and the progressives went up. No, it doesn't go up. I don't know what makes it go up. It must be some kind of arrow. Come on. We want something big. We want to play the bonus round one time. Alright, I'll be back again. This game is not working, so I think I'm going to move on. I've had a couple small hits, a couple like $5, $10, $12. No bonus, so maybe we can find another game. I found Wicked Winnings too, so we got the little she-devil. Let's see what this one is about. I keep finding one with no sound. I'm not sure what you have to do here. We're gonna figure it out in a second. Trying to figure out how you get the bonus. Let's see. Oh, look, it's a free respin. I got 3 of her and then it did some kind of respin. Ain't do no good. We didn't win nothing. But at least that's a decent feature. I'm just trying to see. Normally it tell you on the top how you get the free games. I guess we're just gonna find out. It made a sound when this dropped. So maybe you need like 3 of those. We'll see. Yeah, you need, I think you must need some of those. Hopefully we'll get a bonus. can't believe none of my games have sound. It's all the way up too. I got some kings. Alright, I'll be back if we get a bonus. Alright, so that was the bus, but we're gonna try cats, hats, and bats now. They got some progressives, they got some black cats, some witches hats, and you need 3 of these to get the bonus. Come on, y'all can give us a bonus round. Let's see. Oh, okay. And we got sound. Alright, so I guess that's wild. Oh, we need 3 of those. Let's get a bonus quick. Oh, the house makes sound too. Come on. I know, let's go. We want to play the bonus one time. We got some cats and jack-o'-lanterns. Playing 90 cents. And you have to bump up the bet. Come on, come on, one more. Darn. Oh, it does pay you for the scatter. Well, at least you get paid for 2 of them. Like a scatter. Alright, I'll be back if we get a bonus. Got some kind of weird mystery bat bonus. It was random. I didn't even know it was happening. It's like these bats. What's he doing?
4 bats.
Okay. That was weird. He just, okay, I don't know, he just randomly, yeah. He just flew on the screen. We still got no bonus. Well, except for that. We're still chasing the other bonus. We got it! Finally! Oh my, I'm trying. Let's go. Oh look, that pays $33. We get 13 free games. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Oh, and look, it's a multiplier. So it's times 2. Re-trigger? Do a re-trigger? No. Oh my god. That pay $196. Oh, crap. Oh my god. No, because I was like, what? I was trying to get a re-trigger. Come on. Come on. All these dead spins. Come on, we need some big ones. I mean, we got love. Get it. Ah, yes. Oh, look, that's times 4. Yes. Come on. Get it. Another one. Oh, man. I've never played this game. I've never even seen it. Come on. Another one. Oh, man. Oh, look. That was times 8. It's because it's times 8. It's a multiplier. Oh, my God. Get it. Oh, come on. Let's get some more. That's times 2. Come on. I wonder if you can re-trigger. Come on. That would be awesome. I don't even know how many spins I got left. Where did it tell you? Oh, that was it. Oh, that was for the... No, that's it. That was all of them. But that's, look, it paid $294. Oh, that was awesome. Go, 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 go. Yay! That was fun. The little bat came back. I keep missing it. It's random. Oh, I don't know. 6 bats. Oh, come on. We need all the bats. Let's go. How many? I don't know.
I don't know, but it feels good.
Come on, fill them up.
11 bucks.
11 bats. $20. Okay. Hey. My boy back. We back to the bat. Come on. Yeah. I think as long as you get it back, you get a spin. It's weird. I don't know. Yeah, you get the extra spins. Come on. We want a full screen of bats. Oh. 9. Not bad. Alright guys, I think the cat is tired of me. I'm playing it down to 300, then we out. I was hoping to get the bonus one more time, but it don't seem to be happening. So I'm gonna know when to stop. They not playing. Been getting a lot of little wins, but not like a big good one. No more bonus. You see? Doing a bunch of little ones. Or maybe that bat will come back out. Come on. Alright. We got like 3 more spins. Come on. Come on. No. It's so aggressive with it. It's like it wants to come. Like, come on. They don't gotta trick you like that with the sound. Alright, we got one more after this. Alright, it's our last spin. Come on. Get it. Nothing. Oh well. It was fun. Moved on to Sweet Skull. Oh, I got the skull. So I got the minor jackpot. It was like $20, I think. This is called Sweet Skull. Yeah, it was like, oh, $12. Oh, the minor, it was $12, yeah.
They have to do all that for $12.
I know, right? They get you all hyped for $12. For this game, you gotta get stacked butterflies to get the bonus, so. And this girl is wild. So, okay. It make you think you're doing a lot, but look, that's only $2. I'll come back if we get a bonus. Alright, so that was a lot of fun. Kesha was
We
here
had a
cheering
great
me on.
time.
We had a great time. Had some lucky wins. That was amazing. So those are some Halloween themed, I think anyway, slots out there. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 26. Bye.
Don't forget to like.
Comment
Give us 2
and
thumbs up.
subscribe.